Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by changing what's immediate. Open Options, go to Video Settings, and set Brightness to Bright. Do this now so you can judge later changes. Once done, check your monitor's brightness and contrast. Hardware effects perceived light more than software. Make sure you note your exact Minecraft version. You'll need it when selecting resource packs or mods. This is the simplest, fastest improvement, and prevents unnecessary mod installs if the default slider already fixes it. Next, add tools that change lighting behavior. You can install a Fulbright resource pack to quickly override darkness. Drop it into resource packs and enable it in-game. If you want more control, install Optifine or Sodium plus Iris for shader support. These let shaders modify exposure and gamma. Once installed, select a shader pack that exposes parameters like exposure, brightness, or ambient light, and tweak them slowly so textures remain natural. This gives you precise control. Finally, fine-tune settings and resolve problems. Open shader or mod settings and change exposure or gamma by small amounts until caves and shadows look right. Abrupt jumps cause washed-out colors. If nothing changes, disable other resource packs or mods that may conflict and restart Minecraft. Many visibility issues stem from incompatible profiles. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure the mod or pack matches your game version. If problems continue, reinstall the mod and clear the resource pack cache so old files don't persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.